Hi everyone, Martin here with another video, and today I'm going to be talking all about Google AI or Google Gemini. So let's get started. So first and foremost, what is Google Gemini? Well, it's a family of AI models, so it's very much like OpenAI's chatgpt. So, for example, you can give Gemini a prompt like what's going on in a picture, attach an image, and then it will describe what's going on. So, furthermore, Google Gemini is more than just a chatbot. That's one aspect of Gemini, but they're also working very similarly with what you've seen with ChatGPT 4.0, being able to have more kind of conversational chats with their AI model. So what are some of the main features? Well, the AI chatbot has all of the usual features of being able to ask questions and then obviously continue to question the chatbot and expand or enhance answers. In addition, the main feature of Gemini is what they call multimodality, which basically is a fancy way of saying that it can process text, audio, image, and video. So how do we go about accessing the Gemini chatbot? Well, what you're going to want to do is head over to this website. So gemini.google.com/app. That's gemini.google.com/app. You can see here in the top left. So here I am on the Gemini chatbot. So if we take a look at the interface, you'll see if you've ever used ChatGPT, then this interface is likely to look very familiar. So what you'll notice at the top, so I'm logged in with my Google account, so I actually have a bit of customization. So it's saying, hello Martin, how can I help you today? So quite a nice touch and quite a nice feature. In the middle, we have some suggestions of what Gemini can do and the types of things that we can ask it to do. And then at the bottom, we have our text box where we can enter our prompts, questions, and so forth. So what I could do is in my prompt here, I can say plan a 5-minute video on AI for beginners. Include 3 example AI platforms. Okay, so I'm going to then go ahead and click on this submit arrow over on the right hand side, and then I get my plan for a 5-minute video on AI. So you can see it's telling me the length, it's giving me an intro, telling me how long that's going to be, and breaking it down on the various components that I could use. So obviously, if you've used ChatGPT, you'll know. If you haven't and you're just jumping into something like Gemini, the benefits of using this AI chatbot as opposed to anything else is that you can go back and question it. So I've got this answer and I can go back and ask it about that. So I can just say, can you please add another AI platform example? Okay, so I've just hit my enter or return key there. It's thinking about it. And then there we go. So there you go. You've got an additional platform in there. So that part, again, if you've used ChatGPT, all of that stuff's going to seem quite similar. So let's go ahead and look at interacting with the platform with something other than text. So down here on the right-hand side of the prompt box, you'll see what we have, an upload image button. Okay, so what we can do on here is obviously click upload image. I'm going to click on my pictures folder, and I'm just going to choose one of the pictures I've got here. So I've got a picture of a soccer pitch, so I'm going to open that up and add that to Gemini. And what I'm going to do is say, can you tell me what is happening in this image? And then I'm going to go ahead and submit. So One thing I found with using images is that sometimes the responses can take a little bit longer than if you were using text, because obviously it's got to try and analyze and interpret what's happening. Okay, so you can see here it's saying a soccer field with a goal in the background. The field's green, appears to be well maintained. There's no people in the image, so difficult to say for sure what's happening. Possible the field is empty because it's not being used at the moment. It could also be that the image was taken during a break in the game. So it's kind of amazing that it's spot on picking out everything from that image. So, and again, you can kind of continue on that conversation. Say, how could I edit this image to add some players? Okay. So again, that interaction with, so there's several ways that I can act. So I could use photo editing software, so Photoshop, and gives you some other examples. So if you've got an image and you're like, oh, I need to enhance this, I'm not sure how, chuck it into Google, what's going on, how can I enhance this? You know, if you're looking at trying to make it look a certain way, a little bit more artistic, use the platform to give you those ideas. It's what I've found with these AI chatbots is they're very good at being able to kind of, as idea generators and giving you ideas for projects that maybe that you're working on. So we've interacted with text, we've interacted with image. Let's go ahead and look at the last way that we're going to interact with this chatbot. So next to the upload image in the prompt box is we have the microphone. Okay, so in that microphone, I can click and then I can say, allow this time, every visit, etc. So I'm going to say, allow this time. So it's already starting to dictate everything that I'm saying. Okay, so what we're going to do is stop. So I'm going to click on the icon again. I'm going to delete what's there. And now you've seen how it works. I'm going to press it. Can you please create an outro for this introduction to Google Gemini video? So hit the microphone icon again, hit the submit. Okay, and there I've got a couple of outro options that I can use for a video introducing Google Gemini. So let's take one of them. So this video was just a glimpse of what Google Gemini can do. As you can see, it's a pretty powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize how we work, create, and understand the world around us. With all that being said, I do hope this video has been useful. I hope it's introduced a new AI tool that you can utilize. Do you think it's something that you're going to use? What features would you like to see? What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? Maybe compared to something like chatgpt. Let me know in the comments below, and then also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.